Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So to get started, open Instagram app, then go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now once you're here, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open your settings. So once you're here, scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Then tap Messages and Story Replies. Click on that. Now once you're on Messages and Story Replies, from there, select Show Activity Status under Who Can See You're Online. So click Show Activity Status. So once you click Show Activity Status, simply switch off the Show Activity Status option. So for example, if it's turned on, you can turn it off just like so to disable it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So keep in mind that once you disable this setting, you also won't be able to see when other people are active on Instagram. And that's it, your active or online status is now hidden from other users. Thank you for watching.